Suzuki are proud to present. It's Vitara SZT automatic. Vehicle's finished in red with the black roof. Also features the new 1 litre BoosterJet engine. It's known for its fuel efficiency. The vehicle's in great condition. Close up of the alloys there. We'll take a look inside. Plenty of great features. So you've got leather steering wheel with integrated controls for cruise control, audio and Bluetooth. Central armrest with storage point. Take a look at the in-car entertainment. You've got this 7-inch colour touchscreen, which features satellite navigation, DAB digital radio, Android and Apple CarPlay also, and reversing camera. Climate control underneath there. We take a look at the rear of the vehicle. So you've got 3 seats, good leg room for rear passengers. As we move round, you can see rear tinted privacy glass on 3 sides. This vehicle still has manufacturer's warranty until 2022 and would come with a service before leaving for its new owner.